Hello, welcome to another vlog. It's 4 a.m. I did not sleep and I have a very long travel day to get to this tournament. I've arrived at the station. I've been here for 30 minutes. I'm waiting for my coach, M-Test. I have ganged up with M-Test here and we're gonna go through security.
Yay! My favorite thing.
Yay! We made it to Madrid and now we just have to take the bus for 5 hours to reach Badajoz. Yippee! Nice to meet you. We're going to the metro. We made it to Badajoz. Say hello. Hehe. Room reveal. Me and Dream are gonna cuddle up in this bed real good tonight, huh?
Oh yeah.
Good morning. I was supposed to get up 1 hour ago, but I guess we're speedrunning getting ready. Now I just have to do my makeup because I got out of bed, and then we're gonna do some content and we'll play tonight at like 5 p.m. if there's no delays, hopefully. And that's it. I will do my makeup now. Transition time. Because I did a gamer move and skipped breakfast, I got some breakfast delivered to me by my lovely teammate, Rim. Update. We were supposed to leave in 15 minutes, but it got delayed to in 45 minutes. So now I get to eat and watch One More Life against Top Esports. We are in fact not leaving at 12:30. We are leaving to M-Test room at 12:30 where we're gonna do draft meeting. We're gonna shoot some content stuff before draft meeting because I got done early. So yeah, that's gonna be fun. We are 5 minutes late for draft meeting. How do you feel about this, Eniv?
I'm so nervous. I can't. Let's hurry, guys.
Yeah, we have to run!
Hello, welcome.
Hello,
Shit,
coach.
you guys are stacked.
Hello, coach.
Nice.
Hello, team. Hello, Kina. Hello, Rim. Leak. I'm leaking our scripts. Draft meeting finished. Now we're getting picked up to go to the gaming facility. So it turns out we're gonna play here. This is our stage later, and this is our scene. It's a bit scuffed, but I mean it is what it is, right? Now we're going to eat. Then we're gonna do some content, and we have a warm-up game as well before we play our match. We got this food. So we just got done playing a warm-up, about 15 minutes warm-up, but it was very helpful. I'm very grateful to the enemy team that warmed up against us on stage. It felt really good to practice some mechanics before our game. We're gonna play in about 30 minutes and Now we're doing some extra content. Some photos and TikToks. Sheena, how are you feeling for our upcoming game?
I'm mega sleepy.
She says she's feeling great. How are you feeling, Colombe Bleu Bleu?
I hinted during the warm-up, so now I come in for the officials, right?
Yeah, she played amazing, she's perfect, she's gonna 1v9. I have acquired the secret use to play better and awaken myself. It's caffeinated and I may not say the specifics of this drink. Apparently, this way. We're starting now, so we have to hurry. So sadly we lost, we got turbo gapped. Honestly, I would say we got stomped. It feels bad, it always feels bad to lose. But I would say that the overall experience of this event was good. It was our first LAN together with our team. I like Spain, everyone were friendly, the staff was nice, there were no delays. The setup was not terrible either, so... Dream, 3-2 Hell mid laner. How do you feel after getting stomped 2-0?
How does one feel?
Can you say like how it feels in league terms?
It feels dog shit.
Ah, now I get it. Current occupation, waiting for everyone to decide where to go and eat and find a restaurant that's not fully booked. And I'm gonna show off my condolence prize that everyone got, but for me it's a condolence prize, so I got a Timo mushroom. Getting kebab. The prices here are insanely cheap. You can get all of this for 3 euros. A kebab, a drink and fries. Okay, now it's 4 euros, but like, that's crazy. So not all of us got kebab. Rim is one of us that did not get kebab. She ordered food. What happened?
It never arrived.
What just happened? How do you feel?
Unexpected turn of events. Popeyes with the order.
Another vlog. Another Rim eating chicken burger. Why do you always eat chicken burger? What's so special about chicken burger?
They taste really good. And I don't like anything else.
On the train back home to Madrid to go home to Sweden. Team dinner, goodbye vlog.
Bueno, ya. Vale.